Hawkins here. I'm here with Sophie.
Hi.
Me, obviously, and Mittens, and she is going to say hello to herself if she just looks at the camera. She's going to realise what she looks like. It's quite cute actually, because she started clawing the... Come on. Just pick her up. I'm not strangling her, don't worry. She start clawing herself.
Oh, that's funny.
She really hurts your fingers, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's like a little kitten, and like my hand's like picking up. She is growing actually. She's growing
Mine's this big.
She grew a little bit since last video.
Yeah.
Who's that? Her mind can't comprehend what's going on right now.
She's just like, what should I do?
She's gonna start clawing it. Yeah, she's so like a... This is her blanket, and this is her, so we've never ever... She's literally claimed it now.
She's just like, mine. Yeah. Mine forever. She's got a little bow on the collar.
She's just a bundle of fun, really.
She likes clawing you a lot.
She likes falling into places. No, if you do this, she'll have a little play. She'll have a little play with you. Oh, look at that. Look at that cute thing. Yeah, I'm sorry if you can see. It's not very good. If you see, it's a bit
same
annoying with the lighting.
That's why I call her Hedgehoggy.
My name's Mittens.
Yeah. She's a Hedgehoggy. That's my new name for her. Oh, it's just
she likes clawing stuff and it hurts.
And biting stuff.
And she's biting me at the minute.
Look at her.
No! Stop it! It's not nice to do this.
Oh,
look at yourself, Mittens. Look at yourself.
I'm sorry.
She's very playful. She's very,
but
very,
now I'm
very
gonna
playful.
do it again.
Yum. Yum. Oh, you're the cutest. Come
I'll get
because I'm lucky enough to have a tablet that has a front camera, this is really easy, because then I know where I'm pointing the camera. So,
watch it, she'll bite the paper. she
loves
paper.
it. She does it with the feathers as well, she confuses her feathers. It's my paper. Very playful. I just can't wait to get a laser pen. If she does this, then what's she going to do with a laser pen? Let's bring a paper over here. So she goes, get it. No, that's my hand. You can't get that.
She does that to my hand as well.
And my armpit hole. You're horrible, cat. She's so mean sometimes. She's like, leave me alone.
What's this? I just dropped it on her face.
Come me up.
She uses her claws to drag things.
Oh, she's stealing her claws into me. It hurts.
I know her bushy tail.
That really hurts. It's ticklish. It's hurt. It's painful and ticklish. It's alright. It's alright. Let go. Let go. It's painful and ticklish at the same time. What's this?
She's just chasing it. She's like, I
She's
want it.
very cute,
mine.
and she likes dangly things.
And she likes.
That's what she said, but you're not.
She also likes to bite her tails.
Go get over there towards the camera, because it'll look more entertaining for people.
Because these are rating. She's letting off of it.
No, she's good. She's good.
Get it.
It hurts and tickles at the same time because I'm ticklish. She's very attached. Let's just say it. Attached to me. It hurts. It's so. I'm probably gonna have cuts all over my belly now. I'm like, go away. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
She's very playful.
Very. She likes her belly being tickled as well.
She's trying to bite her own paw. She's gonna jump right now.
She's in a playful mood. She's going to kick her belly. She'll be like, I don't want to just strip my belly. No! Stop it! Stop biting my hand. Go on, get your hat, get yourself. Go on. Claw yourself. Actually, no, if you have your fingers under your on my tablet like I would show you, but...
She wants to pause it and then she wants to play it again.
If she manages to stop this, I'm going to be like, lol. She's trying to get herself, it's quite funny actually. Look, she just moves her away like that. Go on.
She's going to get herself.
She doesn't even know what's going on. She's like, that is my belt thing. She looks like a little electrocuted cat do this.
She grips onto things.
This doesn't hurt her. At least I don't think it does. What's that? So if you get over to her belly and stroke it, she'll be like, no, not allowed to stroke my belly.
She's just like,
not allowed to stroke my belly. Not allowed to stroke my belly.
Fall on me. No.
She done. If you can't see, that is a shame.
There.
She claws everything, and
she grips onto things.
I need to take her over to the scratch.
Look, watch this. Look, she's gonna grip onto Jack's t-shirt. Look.
Right, well, so hopefully she'll go to a scratch post, which I've made for her.
Oh. Shall I carry her?
She's only playing.
Shall I carry her to the scratch post thing? Shall I carry her? And you take the tablet.
She's like, get off, no, I don't want you here.
I'll take it to the scratch post.
It itches. It's so cute because it doesn't hurt. It's like, oh.
Same level.
Come here.
Claws.
No, I dropped something. Hopefully she'll just claw that instead.
No, not in the wee box.
That's too pornographic.
That's her toilet.
Claw this. Hopefully she'll learn to just. She has done a little bit of it, but.
No, that's not the claw thing.
That's not the claw.
That's the claw thing.
She's still trying to get herself.
No. Go to.
I'm trying to train her to claw.
It stinks in here because she's got her own toilet. It's in here. The stove's going yellow. She's gonna go
she
for
might
a
be
dump.
bearing for something, so I'm gonna leave it there. Guys, like, subscribe, stay awesome, and bye, guys.